Hi, welcome to my max session. So in today's section, we are going to see division of fractions. So before saying division of fraction, I just want to clarify one thing. So in my previous video, I've put multiplication of fractions. I just left one point there. It's just multiplication of fractions. The rule is you will have to do the product of the numerator divided by product of the denominator. So that is the formula for multiplication fractions. All I want to say is that this rule is not restricted only to the multiplication of two factors. You can multiply any number of fractions. You can multiply any number of fractions using the same formula. Okay. Now with respect to today's videos, we will do division of fractions. The formula for division of fraction is given fraction a by b divided by c by d. Now I can write the given. I can do the division by converting this division into multiplication. But how? I'm going to write the first fraction as it is a by b. I'm going to change the symbol into multiplication, and the second fraction I'm going to put the reciprocal of this fraction. So a by b into d by c. The given sum a by b divided by c by d will turn into a by b into the reciprocal of the second fraction. So I'm going to explain you how. Before that, we need to know what is called reciprocal. So reciprocal of fractions. So what is called as a reciprocal of fractions? For example, a fraction a by b. The reciprocal of this fraction is b by a. You will have to just write the ulta. So the reciprocal of fraction a by b is b by a. For example, reciprocal fraction of just the number a, it means the denominator is 1. So it will be 1 by a. Just taking the ulta. For example, reciprocal of fraction 1 by b. Then it will be 1 by b will be just b. Okay. And there is a rule for reciprocal of fractions. The two fractions are said to be reciprocal if the product is equal to 1. That is, if a by b multiply the product of its reciprocal b by a should be 1. So if you cancel, the answer will be 1. So that means the a by b b by a will be the reciprocal of a by b and the vice versa. So when the product is 1, similarly a into its reciprocal is 1, right? And 1 by b of its reciprocal will be 1. So this is the reciprocal rule. That is, the product should be equal to 1. Their product should be equal to 1. So now I'm going to explain you why this given division we are going to, why the question given as division we are going to convert as multiplication. Okay. So what is given? So what is called division? A by b divided by c by d. Right? This is what will imply a by b divided by c by d. So for doing normal division itself will be slightly complicating when you take larger numbers. So imagine of dividing two fractions. So to avoid all these complications, we are going to convert this into a multiplication. So for doing multiplication, what is we need to do? I'm going to change my denominator as 1. So when you want to make your this denominator fraction into 1, you will have to multiply with the reciprocal of this fraction, that is multiply by d into c. Okay. Now just now we saw when you multiply the fraction with the reciprocal, the answer will be 1. So if we are going to cancel, my answer will be 1. So whenever if I am going to multiply or divide any non-zero number, for the denominator I should do the same thing for the numerator so that the value of the original fraction remains the same. So I'm going to multiply d by c for the numerator also. Now on simplification, so I'm going to cancel. So it will be 1, right? Now my denominator is 1, and for the numerator, being the multiplication of two fractions, the rule is very simple. You have to multiply the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So AD by BC, or simply you can write AD by BC. You have to just multiply and answer. So this is the reason why we are doing the reciprocal and multiplying. So this is how the formula came. So I'll explain it with the help of sum so that it will be more clear for you. I'm taking a simple example. So 4 by 7, first one, 4 by 7 divided by 1 by 3. Okay, this is sum. So what is the formula now? I'm going to write the first fraction 4 by 7 as it is. So you'll have to note two things here. Three things here. The first fractions will remain the same. It will be just 4 by 7. There is no change for it. Now this division I'm going to do as multiplication. Second fraction I'll have to change it as reciprocal of this fraction. The reciprocation of 1 by 3 will be 3. So 3. Now just normal fraction multiplication. We have to multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So 4 3s are 12, 7 1s are 7. That's all. So how this formula read? It's because of the explanation here. Second sum. I'll do another sum. Okay, I'll take a mixed fraction. So 5 1 by 2 divided by 7 1 by 3. Okay. Now for this I'm going to first convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So 11 by 2 divided by 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1 22. If you want to know how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction, you can view my previous video where I've got a separate video on how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction and mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So I'm doing this one. Now I've given the division form. So I'll write the first fraction as it is. So 11 by 2, right? Now I'm going to convert division as multiplication, multiply symbol. And the second fraction I'll have to do the reciprocal. So 22 by 3, reciprocal of 22 by 3 is 3 by 22. Simple. Now I'll simplify. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. So answer will be 3 by 4. Simple. Now the third sum I'll do. Third sum is 4 3 by 4 divided by 5 1 by 2. Okay. So now we'll convert this mixed fractions into an improper fraction. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus is 19. So 19 by 4 divided by 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 by 2. So now how do I do 19 by 4? I'll have to keep the first fraction as it is, convert this multiplication division into multiplication, and the second fraction I'll have to do the ulta. I'll have to do the reciprocal. Take the reciprocal. So 2 by 11. So 11 by 2, reciprocal is 2 by 11. Now I'll have to simplify. 2. So the answer will be 19 by 22. And the last sum, fourth one, we'll do 8 by 3 divided by 5. Okay. So 8 by 3, so there is no mixed fractions. I'm going to do directly. So 8 by 3, first fraction will remain the same. Division of multiplication. The second factor I'm going to change it as reciprocal. So 5, its reciprocal is 1 by 5. Simple. So multiply now, 8 divided by 15. That's all. So this is how you'll have to do the division of fractions. So again I want to stress on 2-3 things. First one, when you are doing division of fractions, the first fraction will remain the same. Here actually we are not going to any division. We are going to convert this as a multiplication problem, then continue with the sum. So the first fraction will remain the same. It will be 8 by 3. For example, okay, 8 by 3. Then you will have to convert the symbol to multiplication. Okay, and with respect to second fraction, we'll take it as a reciprocal. So in this case 5, it will be 1 by 5. And do the normal multiplication of fractions. What is the rule for multiplication of fractions? You will have to find the product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. And with whatever the answer is coming, you will have to just simplify. That's all. So if you find this video useful, kindly subscribe to my channel and give that like button. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. See you then. Bye-bye.